As you sit back, I'd like you to just close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And with each and every breath, give yourself the permission to center your consciousness in the here and now. Various thoughts may come into your mind space. Silently acknowledge them and let them know that you will get back to them later. And all you do is just focus on your breath. Feel yourself breathing in relaxation and just breathing out any stress, any resistance. I'm going to count you down from 5 down to 0. And with each and every count, just allow yourself to go deeper and deeper and deeper into your own inner space. So go down at 5, deeper at 4, even deeper at 3, deeper still at 2, deeper and deeper at 1, and deep within at 0. And as you feel yourself deeply breathing into your body, just allow your consciousness then to center in the here and now. Allow yourself to acknowledge that particular aspect of your life that you recognize has a specific issue that you're choosing to honor in the here and now. And as you choose that particular issue, there are certain emotions and energies that you allow yourself to acknowledge that are related to this issue that you wish to release, that you allow yourself to acknowledge that you wish to release in the moment. And as your mind processes and you acknowledge those emotions and energies that you wish to release, you may take another long, deep breath. And now imagine in front of you is a box. And inside the box are a lot of balloons, empty balloons. And you begin to pick up one balloon after another and visualize that you are blowing all that you want to release into each of these balloons. And as each balloon fills up, You just tie the mouth and you release them into the open sky. Take as many balloons as you want, but make sure that you're releasing into them all your energies and emotions, fears, implants, imprints, entanglements, associations, attachments, every kind of energy and emotion that you now know you don't wish to have them anymore. And every balloon you fill up and release, it just makes you feel lighter and lighter. And the balloons fly higher and higher into the sky, once and for all, completely taking away from you what you are choosing to release today, in the here and now. And as you release, you allow yourself to feel the sense of liberation and lightness. You are creating space within yourself. And as you feel the lightness, take a nice, long, deep, slow breath. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And acknowledge each of those balloons as they flow away from you, flying higher and higher, further and further away, carrying all that you have now chosen to release. And once you are comfortable, take a nice deep breath, gently in through your nose, out through your mouth. One more deep cleansing breath, in through your nose, out through your mouth. And one more. Breathe in and out. And then when you're comfortable, please open your eyes.